Are you ready to make the most out of your money? Join us now to discover the best tools and strategies for success. Are you ready to start generating a passive income or maybe become the entrepreneur you've always wanted to be? We all know that making money often requires hard work, but it doesn't have to be complicated work. Join us today as we discuss the best tools and strategies to start making the most of your money, no matter what your financial goals are. Learn how to find the right business niche and a winning investment strategy, making the most out of digital platforms, and how to grow financially with a secure portfolio. Let's begin. Don't miss out on the opportunity to start achieving your financial goals. Subscribe to our Life Hacks channel and keep watching to learn the best tools and strategies in order to make the most out of your money. Join us now and start making your dreams a reality. Investing in profitable assets is a great way to make extra money and potentially build wealth. Diversifying your investments can help reduce risk, while also increasing the potential for long-term growth. Doing research into different asset classes, understanding their risks and returns, is key to becoming a successful investor. You don't need to start big. By making small, consistent investments over time, you can slowly build a diverse portfolio that may generate passive income. If investing isn't something you feel confident doing on your own, seeking professional financial advice can be really helpful. If investing seems difficult or intimidating, there are other options for boosting your income. Side gigs like freelance writing or teaching online courses about something you're passionate about are very accessible and require no special experience. With today's technology, side jobs have never been easier. There are almost endless possibilities. So what creative ideas do you have for earning some extra money outside of conventional employment? Side gigs are a great way to make extra money and learn some new skills. Freelancing, tutoring, and starting an online shop are all flexible options that you can fit into your schedule. Just make sure you keep a clear boundary between work and your personal life. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating multiple streams of income. Look for opportunities that don't require a lot of money or time to set up. For example, you could start sponsored blog posts with affiliate links, which could create a steady income over time. Property investment offers other options like rental returns and buy-to-let strategies. Investing part of your extra money in high-yielding assets can also give you long-term gains. So why would you limit yourself? How can you create multiple channels that generate consistent cash flow? Creating multiple streams of income is a great way to build your wealth over the long term. You can start by finding side gigs that you're passionate about and can dedicate time to, like teaching an online course or freelancing as a writer. You can also turn habits into profit through sites like Etsy and Redbubble. Setting up shop is easy and it requires minimal effort. Rental properties can also be considered for extra cash flow. Just make sure to secure and factor in all associated costs when considering a return on your investment. Affiliate marketing has become increasingly popular due to the low barrier entry. You don't need to make any upfront investments other than time and energy. It involves advertising products via social media channels or blogs, and you get paid commissions when someone purchases something after clicking one of your links or banners. Not only does this provide good passive income, it also helps boost sales for companies involved. So what strategies have worked well for affiliate marketers? What strategies do you use to make the most money with cryptocurrencies? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Starting a business is a great way to make money without having to work all the time. Doing some research and figuring out what kind of product or service you want to offer, then creating it and marketing it with focus and dedication is a great way to improve existing services by making them easier to use and partnering with other companies to make them better. Make sure you're getting the most out of your efforts by tracking insights from online analytics platforms like Google Analytics. Set goals based on what you can find and adjust your plans over time. Don't forget to use social media channels too. They can be like free advertising. And as your business grows, you want to scale up so you can handle more customers without having to hire too many people. So with all the options out there for creating an automated money-making business, how do entrepreneurs decide which method is going to work best? Creating a profitable business is a great way to make money over time. First, you need to find the right niche and target market for your product or service. Then, you'll need to create products and services that meet those needs. As you go along with marketing, try to keep costs low by automating processes. For example, use digital asset communication tools instead of physical stores and products. To grow quickly while still maintaining quality standards, invest in marketing materials like social media ads and outsource help if needed. Don't forget to prioritize changes that will improve user experience, customer relationships, or profit margins when making decisions. These overlooked areas can help you stand out from competitors and make more money in the long run. How do real estate investors work best when their community is to diversify into lucrative markets? Investing in real estate is a great way to make money without having to do too much work. So do your research into the local market and different asset classes that allow you to understand the risks and rewards. Invest wisely. Create a plan with enough money to cover expenses like hiring property managers and paying for maintenance. You can also add value to properties by making improvements or upgrading amenities that could increase rental prices over time. But make sure you stay within budget since it can eat away at profits. Patience pays off big too. Working on developing your property investments for long-term gains, you don't want to risk too much. Cryptocurrency is another way to make money. Bitcoin is a popular digital asset, but how do people get cryptocurrency and turn it into money? Well, with new technology, it's easier than ever. You can buy tokens directly from exchanges, which are traded against government-backed currencies. Then, the tokens are stored in secure wallets managed by the platform. Cryptography ensures maximum security and automatically verifies transactions between peers across networks. This gives owners peace of mind knowing their assets are safe during transfers. How can investors use cryptocurrencies to make the most money? What strategies do you use to make the most money with cryptocurrencies? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Cryptocurrency can be a great way to make passive income. If you're passionate about something, why not turn it into a money-making opportunity? You could sell your creations on digital markets like Etsy or Fiverr, or learn coding and computer development skills to open up well-paying works of opportunities. You could also create content around topics that interest you and your followers, like writing blog posts or starting an online store where people can buy goods with crypto coins. And if you want to get really creative, think about how you can combine your passions with other professions, like putting art onto clothing or accessories, commercializing podcasts, teaching virtual classes, or reviewing products online. There are so many possibilities when you combine your talents with the platforms available today, so explore what you can do with your craftsmanship and cyber solutions. Making money from your hobbies is a great way to capitalize on your interests. You can make money by selling what you create, teaching others what you know, or becoming an affiliate marketer and promoting products related to your hobby. Don't forget about blogs, YouTube channels, and other online platforms that can become successful with the right marketing strategies in place. Having multiple sources of income will give you more stability, but if money isn't your top priority, nonprofits are another great option for generating passive income through donations from individuals, private businesses, and corporate sponsorships. To get started, find causes close to home or around the world that need support. Set goals tailored towards funding those initiatives and make sure to communicate them clearly so potential donors understand what they're donating to. Promote volunteer opportunities both offline and online. Apply for grants when possible depending on location, and use digital resources like WordPress plugins and fundraising websites like GoFundMe and others. So how do passionate entrepreneurs sustain their drive while still fulfilling financial responsibilities? Creating a successful nonprofit organization requires more than just a good cause. You also need to make sure your target audience knows about you and about your mission. This means you need to market and network effectively. You should let people know what you do, why it's worth supporting your cause, and how they can get involved to help out. You can use digital tools like website design with donation buttons and social media campaigns like hashtag challenges to reach a larger audience quickly. Don't forget to consider any legal costs associated with becoming and running an official charity organization, like filing annual reports. So ask yourself, how will I ensure my nonprofit remains sustainable while growing its impact? Making money doesn't have to involve a 9-to-5 job. There are plenty of ways to generate passive income and build wealth. Investing in profitable assets like stocks, bonds, and rental properties is all a great way to diversify your portfolio and increase your chances of long-term growth. If you don't feel confident doing it alone, seeking professional financial advice can be really helpful. Side gigs like freelance writing or teaching online courses are also popular options that require no special experience. For more creative ideas, consider affiliate marketing, creating an online shop, or starting a business. Don't forget about nonprofits, which can be a great way to generate passive income through donations. Consider all the possibilities and find out what works best for you. Are you ready to learn more about the future of cryptocurrency? In our next video, you will discuss the potential of cryptocurrency and how it can be used to make multiple streams of income. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to learn more about the future of crypto. Tune in now and find out if there is a future at all to cryptocurrency.